from the blind side and strips him. So 3 crucial plays here by Michael Jordan now. As he keeps Brian Russell with a quick crossover. Look at Brian Russell slips. And Michael pulls up and buries the shot to give him a 1-point lead. That may have been.
What a freak.
Unfold in the next several months.
Right.
But that may have been the last shot Michael Jordan will ever take in the NBA. Watch Jordan's left hand here as he hits Russell to push. Referee can't
Damn.
frees himself up. Boy, bleeding up.
For that, he just beat his dumb up.